Let me ask you this. Why do so many people dream of financial independence but never quite achieve it? Is it because they don't earn enough? Or maybe they don't know where to start? If you've ever felt like the dream of financial freedom is out of reach, I'm here to tell you that it's not. The truth is, financial independence isn't reserved for the wealthy or the lucky. It's for anyone willing to follow a proven roadmap. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the exact steps to achieve financial independence for beginners. By the end, you'll not only have a plan, but you'll also feel confident about taking that first step. Let's get started. Financial independence is more than just a buzzword. It's the ability to make choices based on what you want, not what your paycheck dictates. Imagine waking up every day knowing that your bills are covered, your future is secure, and your time is truly your own. But why does it matter so much? Because financial independence isn't just about money, it's about freedom. The freedom to retire early, spend time with family, travel, or pursue passion projects without financial stress hanging over your head. Here's what's important. No matter where you're starting, whether you're in debt, living paycheck to paycheck, or just looking to level up, this journey is for you. And today, we're breaking it all down into simple, actionable steps. Before we talk about numbers, let's talk about purpose. Financial independence isn't just about saving or investing, it's about creating the life you truly want. And to do that, you need to ask yourself one critical question: why do I want to be financially independent? Take a moment to think about it. Maybe it's so you can leave a job you hate, or maybe you want to provide a better future for your family. Your why is personal, and it's the fuel that will keep you motivated when the journey gets tough. Once you're clear on your why, it's time to set your goals. Start with the big picture. Where do you want to be in 10, 20, or 30 years? Then break it down into smaller, achievable milestones. For example, pay off $5,000 in debt this year, or save $10,000 for an emergency fund over the next 2 years. Or maybe invest 15% of your income consistently starting this month. Remember, the more specific your goals are, the easier they are to work toward. Write them down, review them regularly, and adjust as needed. Now, if you found this information helpful so far, I'd really appreciate it if you hit that subscribe button. It's free, and it helps me keep creating videos like this one. And if you want to go the extra mile, I've added a link in the description where you can buy me a coffee, if you feel like it. These videos take a lot of time and research, but I'm committed to sharing all this knowledge with you for free. Any support means the world to me. Thanks so much. Now, let's dive into budgeting, arguably the most important step on the path to financial independence. A budget isn't about giving up what you love. It's about controlling your money instead of letting your money control you. Start by tracking every expense for a full month. This might sound tedious, but it's eye-opening. You'll quickly see where your money is actually going. Once you have that data, categorize your expenses into needs, wants, and savings. Here's a good rule that you can follow: the 50/30/20 rule. Allocate 50% of your income to needs like rent and groceries, 30% to wants like entertainment, and 20% to savings or debt repayment. This isn't set in stone, but it's a great starting point. Remember, your budget should reflect your priorities. If your goal is financial independence, you'll need to maximize your savings rate, even if that means cutting back on certain luxuries. Debt is like a ball and chain holding you back from financial independence. But here's the good news: you can break free. The first step is understanding your debt. Write down every loan, credit card, or payment plan you have, including the interest rate and balance. Now, pick a strategy to attack your debt. The debt snowball method involves paying off the smallest debt first, while the debt avalanche tackles the highest interest rate. Both work. The key is sticking to the plan. Here's a pro tip. If you free up extra cash, whether it's from a side hustle or cutting expenses, throw it at your debt. The faster you pay it off, the sooner you can shift focus to building wealth. No matter how well you budget, life happens. That's why an emergency fund is crucial. Aim for 3 to 6 months of living expenses. This money should sit in a high-yield savings account. Somewhere accessible but not so easy to spend. Start small if you have to. Even $500 can make a difference when an unexpected car repair or medical bill pops up. And remember, an emergency fund isn't just financial security, it's peace of mind. Now, let's talk about what it really means to invest for the long term and why it's a game changer for financial independence. If budgeting is the foundation, investing is the engine that drives your wealth forward. But for beginners, the idea of investing can feel overwhelming. That's where platforms like eToro come in. If you've never heard of it, let me explain why it's a fantastic choice, especially if you're just starting out. eToro is what's known as a social trading platform. Think of it like a social network, but instead of following influencers, you're following experienced investors. Here's why this matters. With eToro's Copy Trader feature, you can literally copy the portfolios and trades of top-performing investors. Imagine being able to look over the shoulder of someone who's already mastered the market, learning their strategies in real time, and even better, matching their moves. This is a huge benefit for beginners who might feel lost or unsure about what to invest in. You don't need a deep understanding of technical analysis or market trends right away. You can learn by doing. And as you grow more confident, you can start making independent investment decisions. But that's not all. eToro is also known for its user-friendly interface. Whether you're buying stocks, ETFs, or cryptocurrencies, the platform makes it simple to navigate. Plus, eToro offers a demo account where you can practice trading with virtual money before risking any real funds. Let's talk about what's in it for you. The power of investing isn't just in growing your wealth, it's in building passive income streams. Imagine reaching a point where your investments are generating enough returns to cover your living expenses. That's the heart of financial independence. And platforms like eToro make it accessible, even if you're starting with a small amount. So if you've been hesitant to start investing, consider giving eToro a try. The combination of social investing, simplicity, and educational resources is hard to beat. And remember, the best time to start investing is always now. Time in the market will always beat timing the market. You can find a link to eToro in the description of this video. Thanks for watching. I hope this video gave you the tools and confidence to start your journey toward financial independence. If you found this helpful, make sure to explore my playlist on financial independence. It's packed with more in-depth strategies and practical advice to keep you moving forward. And don't miss my most popular video for even more actionable insights. Just click the thumbnail on the screen. Your support makes all of this possible, so please like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. Let's keep building your financial freedom together. See you in the next video.